Make money with Suno AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Suno AI in your browser. Once you're on the home page, log in using any available account option here. I'm choosing to log in with my Google account. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard where Suno AI provides two music creation options, the simple option and the custom option. The custom option lets you enter your own lyrics, add style tags, and even set a title for your song. But for this example, let's use the simple option. In this mode, you just describe the kind of song you want mentioned, the mood, vibe, or genre. If you only want an instrumental, you can simply click the instrumental button, then hit create. Suno AI will quickly generate two unique versions of your song based on your prompt. Once the songs are ready, you can promote them on social media platforms like YouTube, or even offer music production services on freelance sites like Fiverr. This is a simple way to start creating and making money with Suno AI.